Hi, I'm Angie. So in this video today, I'm going to take you through how to pause at your breath at the end of an inhale, so you come into that void space. Hi. Hi. So I'm Angie, and I am here to guide you down your roadmap of self-liberation from Maya to Moksha, which is what our work is all about. It's, our practice, myself and Ian, our practice is all about the self-liberation. It is the great work. So that's what we're here to do. That's what we're here to teach. So come and join us. So in this video today, I want to take you through the retaining, not retaining, it's the pause, the void space between the end of an inhale and the beginning of an exhale. And when we used to teach this in our classes, I used to look at it like, so you go up, you go round the roundabout, which is the pause, and then when you're ready, you would come down again, you come all the way down, and then there's a pause at the bottom where you go almost round the roundabout, and then you come up again, and then you get to the end of the inhale and you pause, and you go around the roundabout and you come back down. That's how I would visualize it in my head, and that's how I would teach it. But it's actually quite amazing, because when you do this kind of retention at the end of an inhale, it holds the energy, and you can bring the bandha into it, you can bring Mula Bandha into it. And when you do it at the end of an exhale, it has a very different effect. So I will cover that in a separate video, but just briefly, when you do that at the end of an exhale, what you're doing is you're suspending the body's kind of need to inhale. So what it does is it actually begins to break that fear of death. But that's another video. Today we're focusing on the retention at the end of an inhale. So what you're doing when you are retaining the breath at the end of an inhale is you are kind of building that energy. Yeah, you're sealing that pranic energy, especially when you bring Mula Bandha into it as well. If you don't know Mula Bandha, there's the video. Go and check it out first before you do this. Okay, you need to know what I'm talking about. So you're sealing in that energy, which then moves around your body. The pranic energy moves around your body and goes to the places that it needs to before you then release the bandha and you exhale. And one of the first things that I realized when I started practicing yoga, which was, my goodness, 20 odd years ago, nearly 30 years ago, was that the breath work, I loved the breath work. I loved the breath work, especially the Kundalini breath work. And I loved meditations, a guided meditation, doesn't matter, meditation, a way of meditating with your body, yeah, and your mind, because meditation isn't what you think. That's another video for later on again. It's really not what you think. Meditation is, I can blow all the myths about meditation out of the water, yeah, because it's not what you think it is. But anyway, so If you don't know how to breathe properly, there's the video. Go and check it out, please, because you will need to know that to be able to continue with this particular breathwork pranayama. Okay. So I'm just going to do a very brief demonstration of what this actually entails. So I will be using Ujjayi breath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to breathe in. So you always want to come into that comfortable seated position. However that is for you, doesn't matter what it is, just make sure you're comfortable. And I'm going to breathe in, and at the end of that inhale, I'm going to pull up through Mula Bandha, and I'm going to retain that inhale. So I'm going to hold that breath. I don't like the word holding the breath because it conjures up all sorts of things for me. But if you're suspending your exhale, yeah? So you're suspending your breath as you move around the roundabout before you come back down again. Okay? Okay. So, just get comfortable. So I'm just going to do 3 of these. All right? So we're going to breathe in. At the end of the inhale, pull up through Mula Bandha. You're retaining the breath for as long as is comfortable. No rules. You feel that energy building, and then when you're ready, release Mula Bandha and exhale. And do that again. Number 2, breathe in. At the end of the inhale, pull up. And when you're ready, release and exhale. Last time, breathe in. Pulling up Mula Bandha. And when you're ready, release Mula Bandha, exhale. So if you want to ground, you can. Obviously you can ground before and after breath work. Just checking in and seeing how that feels. So you might get tingles. You might get what I call prana tingles, which is a very light, it's almost like pins and needles, but it's kind of cold. It's different to pins and needles, yeah? So you might experience pranic tingles. You might feel a surge of energy when you're doing this. But it's all good. And you can always comment below with how amazing this practice is. Okay, so just a short one today, but go and try it out and see what the effects are. Don't forget, you are the lab, you are the alchemist, the crazy mad scientist in your lab experimenting with all these amazing things, which will help you to manage your path to self-liberation. We are obviously on YouTube, we're on BitChute, we're on Pinterest, we're on MeWe, we are on Soundcloud, and you can also visit us at crystalsrockearth.weebly.com. That's our website, which is growing, it's going to be evolving, and it's going to be expanding, so just keep your eyes on that one. Yeah, come and visit us wherever you feel comfortable. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like the video because it gets out to more people. Share it as well if you feel that you want to. That just increases how many people can view our video when you like it and share it. It's a big flag to YouTube going, oh yeah, put this at the top of the page. Yeah, go and do that. But for now, I'm going to say be fearless and stay witchy.